Jam, gusto ko na magsimula. Lahat ng checks na yon na sinabi mo sa akin nung paano maging isang qualification isang sorcerer ay na-check ko na. Jam, where do you find clients? Jam, where do you find talents? Aba, secret! Char! Hey guys, it's Jam, the founder of Barangay VA University and Community, and welcome to our new series called the VA Sorcerer Life. And for today, let me tell you where I find talents. You know, very important yan. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, ito yung number 1 rule mo eh. Makinig kayo. Okay, subscribe and watch the full video. Go! Your number 1 role as a sorcerer is to bring in the right talents for your client. Okay? And bawat kliyente ay merong specific, talent na hinahanap. No? Ang basis naman natin dyan, ibabato sa atin yung job description ni Jam. Ito yung job description, pakihanap, period. Paki-post, period, no? So, ang gagawin ko dyan, gagawa ko ng job description, no? Gagawa ko ng mga outreach messages, and then, yun na. Tatambay na ako sa social media. Magpo-post ako dito, post ako dyan, chika ako dito, chika ako dyan, hanggang sa mahanap ko sila. Pero Jam, saan mo nga sila nahanap ni? Okay, 5 categories, no? Number 1, social media platforms. You have to know kung nasaang social media platform ang bawat profile na yan. Like for example, if you're looking for entry level, pwedeng sa Facebook yan, na Filipinos. No, if you're looking for international, malamang pwede kang makakuha sa Threads, pwede kang makakuha sa Instagram, nandoon sila. If you're looking for Filipino na established already, professional na talaga, na entrepreneur, no, na service provider, you can go to LinkedIn. Nandun sila, 'di ba? You should know where they're at. That's number 1. Number 2, community. I go to both Facebook and LinkedIn communities. So doon I just type like specific communities for e-commerce, a community for blah 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 blah. Search mo lang, join, follow instructions. And then what I do is hahanapin ko muna yung founder. Then mag-reach out ako sa founder. If I can't find the founder, then if they allow me to post, I post job openings there. That's what I do. But the first thing that I do when I join communities is I look for the founder. And I reach out to the founder, I email the founder, and then I go for partnerships. Para it's the best because they will automatically allow me to do job postings, to do a webinar inside, and then of course sometimes there's cash based amount of fee. Sometimes it's just affiliate, so it's just a partnership that we do there. Okay, next, number 3, job boards. Okay, job boards such as OLJ or Online Jobs PH. We have Indeed, we have Upwork. Not much on Upwork because from inside yon. Indeed, sometimes if you have the budget for boosting it, kasi ngayon they can allow you to do free posting of jobs, pero you are required to boost it in the end. Pag hindi mo i-boost, they will not push it. They will not even allow you to post that job open. And then there are other new platforms out there where you can actually do job postings. Yung mga bagong job boards that I haven't identified yet. Maybe I can do another video in the future, like new job platforms where I can post job openings. I can do a research for that. Number 4, LinkedIn. Hiniwalay ko siya because there are other functions there. So the platform itself, LinkedIn, the social media media platform where you can literally search all the talents that you need. Number 2, Sales Navigator. Okay, this is where you can get a list and reach out to these talents. Okay, and then number 3 is LinkedIn Recruiter, which is very expensive, but if you are into international talents, this is what they trust. Sometimes they do not trust random people who reaches out to them because they have trauma already when it comes to that. So they only trust LinkedIn. So LinkedIn Recruiter Lite is an investment, and if you have the budget, then go for it. And then lastly, number 5, your community. As a VA Sorcerer, you have to be able to make it easy for you and for your client. Part of the portfolio that you will give to them is that, hey, I have a community of talents. all the talents that you need in my community. I can find you an EA in just a day or within the day. I can give you options already. So you have to learn how to build your own community and, nourish them there and post job opportunities there. So that's what I did for the past, 5 years. And right now I have over 100,000 community members in my own community. And that's both international and local talents, and both experienced and entry level talents are in there at the same time. So that's why I am really taking this seriously. So there, five. Okay, five sources: social media platforms, communities, job boards, LinkedIn, and your own community. So if you have your own community already, you're halfway there, guys. Halfway there and already. All you have to do is to start applying as a sorcerer. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Enjoy.